We live. You guys can hear me. 41's in the chat. 41's in the chat. What's poppin'? Download. How to get tagged in for some gold buys? What? Today we win. This morning was fire. Who caused some shit this morning? Everyone in the chat, let us know. Xandar, what's good? Mark, made different. Rice Ninja, NLT Jacko. Made different. Xandar, HFX. Jacko in the building. Salva was good. My G's, my G's. How y'all doing? Still chasing you. Guys, I'm about to post something lit that I need you guys all to fucking come and comment on. Sorry, just give me a second. And then once we post it, we end the stream. Don't worry. Don't you worry. Don't get too mad. Hey. Don't get too mad. Hey. Let's what? We'll post this on story 2. Bro, you're doing New York on Discord or Zoom? On Discord. Boom. All right, posted that. And then it's time chat. Oh no. Fucked up. Bro, how can you trade with this war news and all the other? The markets are now so embarrassed and I'm stuck in a challenge about a few months. Yeah, I mean, I will say if you're doing challenges and shit, definitely hard times, especially if you're a newer trader. Do I think that you can't be profitable in these markets? No. You know what I'm saying? That's definitely not true. I think there's still a lot of opportunities. It's just a little tougher. You know, there's just a lot of like, what's it called? If you're an investor and you're someone who actually moves the markets, there's a lot of uncertainty of like on where you want to put your money. So there's not these bigger moves. It's really choppy, right? That's what I would say. There we go. I deleted it. Live trading. What y'all up to though? Did you guys make some money today? These markets are a true test of patience. Be selective with your setups, only taking A+ setups. Exactly. I mean, even today, guys, like anyone, NLT Elite, yeah, NLT Elite. So in NLT Elite this morning, guys, I was so, what's it called? I took two, like, guys, I'm like usually like I like taking one trade and like I'm just like kind of done. I've been taking 2 to 3 trades in the mornings because if I've been getting hit out break even, right? But I like it because a lot of the times I go break even, it's been saving me. Yes, we've gone break even and it's flown after whatever, but you know, it's also been the L's and stuff. So 1 second shot. And thanks to the answer. Yep. Made profit back. I lost earlier, so break even. I've actually been easing back a bit on the power hour at 10 a.m. Wait, I actually haven't easing 10 a.m. That's what you like? Is the 10 a.m. setups? $10 a.m. Santa's coming to town. No, I'm kidding. July's forecasted light bill was just sent out. So need that light bill. That'll forever not be not funny. Just genius. Crazy. All right, guys, do a quick little outlook thing, and then I gotta post this thing. I'm releasing the teaser for who's on the podcast for this week. Everyone in the chat, who do you guys think's on the podcast for this week? Fuck, we're so overbought. It's crazy. I hit the like button as a power hour entrance fee. That is fucking amazing. Everyone, hit that like button. That's your entrance fee. But guys, let's do a quick little top-down analysis before I actually go and post the intro. Let's start on NASDAQ, actually. Actually, no, US 30 looked better when I looked at it last. Okay. Looking at US 30. Bro, you guys are crazy. All right. Bullish trend. None of you guys can not tell me we're not bullish. Right? Big, huge bullish trend. What happened? Created a higher low that led to a new higher high. In this area, usually what I always wait for is when we see a new impulse leg, we look for 50% of the move to get retraced. That's not till all the way here in 42,950. So we go to lower time frames and see like what are some other areas that price could potentially maybe break or like pull back to. You can see I see some lows right here. It looks like it just tapped into this demand right here and continued a bit, right? So we have that. Definitely some lows right here that could potentially be taken out. But even on the 5-minute, you could see that like, you know, this is definitely the most recent low that if I was buyers, I definitely would be like buying here and putting your stop loss below here. So we could look to see if we get a reaction down in this area. I will say that obviously it looks like it's pretty freaking bullish for the day. You know, I don't really want to sell against it just yet. Let's just see this as well, hourly on NAS. Even see from like right here. 315. 5. Sheesh. Interessante. Going to here. Oh, we missed that by a wick. By a wick. Not a wick. All right, let's get into it, guys. Everyone here, you've not hit the like button already? Already slacking behind. Already slacking. Come on. More buys. I think we're gonna get a pullback first. Like if we had a clear liquidation and could see some sort of change of character, maybe. You know? But I don't really want to sell against this trend, right? I'm trying to catch the pullback with sells. Ooh, right below this low. What is this, NAS? Got US 30 here. What would validate an entry for you for sells? I'm just curious. NAS looks like it has more of an actual like support because you have some rejections here. But US 30s isn't really as much. It's just like following. Interesting. Right, like if we wanted to get a little 16 points. As you guys know, there's no vol. 16 points. What the hell? I don't know. I'm not really feeling that. Not really feeling that one. But we need some sort of trend line break there. Oh, okay. Okay. Put the trend line. That's how I'd have mine, and I wouldn't want to sell right into there. You see where that's sitting? That's that no bueno zone. I like buys. Where would you buy though? Would you buy right at the break of the high? Would you wait for a retracement? What would validate buys for you, Xander? Curious. Doesn't upload in. Luca, how do you see if US 30 or US 30 or US 100 US 30 have fake outs? Because I'm struggling with these fake outs too often. You got to implement the fake outs into your trading. That's why I trade liquidity grabs. That's why you see me trade a little differently. Is that like I also agree that that's been happening. That's why I kind of come up with a system around, right? Like waiting for the fake out or the liquidation or something to help me gain the edge. All right, I'm gonna post this now. Posting. If you guys aren't following the No Limit podcast page also, slacking. Sorry guys, I'm literally just posting this so that we can get into it. Let me hear real. Boom. $4.4 million in payouts. Let's just put it that way. Let's just put it that way, guys. The person I'm about to freaking crazy. $4.4 million in payouts. Could you guys imagine? Posted. All right, we live. We here. We posted. All right, boom. We here. No bueno zone. Yeah, you could see this sweep too. Just went right back up, right? You could see we are tapping. Oh no, we haven't tapped yet. We haven't tapped yet. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. What's up? NLT Teresa in the building. Good to see you. All the real ones are here. Good to see you guys. All right, I need you guys all to go crazy on the reel. Everyone right now, go to my post, Instagram. Go crazy. I'm excited for this one. All right, we here, chat. Everyone go crazy. How was your morning trade this, Luca? It was good. I mean, no losses. I did good actually this morning. Wait, what did we do this morning? I think I hit break even. Some profit twice. Should have maybe took some out on one of them, but you don't see the post? All right, look now. Everyone look now. Go crazy. I would appreciate everyone goes watches it though. It's actually a pretty sick fucking intro. Probably the coolest one we made. So guys, you guys were right. Is that Holly Trades? What? Jade Cap, yeah. Well, everyone go like the thing. I guess I'll have to paste it in the chat. Everyone go and leave a like and a comment. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. Maybe I'll actually give away a account today to someone who goes, don't go crazy and fucking like it a bunch where it looks fucking fake and comment and shit, but everyone run it up. I'd appreciate it. All right, guys, we could look for this high right here too. Let's just wait. Let's wait a second. Yeah, interviewing Jade Cab was low-key sick as fuck. Can't even lie. One second, guys. Who's excited for this though? Who here actually watches podcasts? I don't even mean just mine. Like, if you guys aren't implementing I don't know. At least for me, I spent so much of like when I first was in college and stuff, sitting around and listening. I don't know if you guys have gone and watched like Chart Addict's old, you know, videos and whatnot. But like, I used to like religiously watch all that. If USD breaks the lows from an hour ago, I'd be considered sells. I just feel like it's so overbought right now. I like this high gain took out right here. Because then we can aim for these equal lows. 8-point stop loss is crazy. This is like mega scalping. Yeah, podcast is fire. But I would really recommend that for anyone out there who like isn't locked in too much with the pods yet. You guys will you guys get a lot of insight. There's a lot of people who like, you know, y'all look up to or you guys want to be like or whatnot. It's like, bro, they literally are getting on podcasts and telling you everything you need to know, right? All right, guys, I posted this, so I'm good now. Just wanted to get this out. Premieres. One. What's your favorite podcast you've done so far? That's a good question. Favorite podcast I've done with my own story? I really liked being on. I liked being on Titans of Tomorrow. Oh, but then the Forex Beginner. I don't know, bro. All of them are so good. There's like 3. If you guys haven't watched the podcast I did with Titans of Tomorrow, watch that one. If you haven't watched the one I did with Forex Beginner Podcast, do that one. If you didn't watch the one I did with Trading Nut, watch that one. Luke and Calvin, I watched that. Thank you, bro. If you guys have watched those, you guys are the real ones. So let's go over this, guys. I'm not in these cells, but let's go over why I thought this, all right? So overall bullish, but we talked about if we need a pullback, where are we looking for a pullback to? Most likely discount. If you marked up this low to this high, you see discount has down here at around 22185. Not too bad. So with that, anticipating a pullback, what do I always look for? A liquidation against the direction I want it to go in for an entry. So you can see here, we kind of ranged, broke structure, had these highs, took out the highs, then broke structure down. And the reason why I like the sells down is you see these equal lows sitting right here. Equal lows to me that like some people would consider double bottoms. You got to think, guys, every trader and their mom knows what a double bottom is. What are you supposed to do with the double bottom? What are you guys supposed to do with the double bottom? I'm just curious. Yeah, Calvin's lit. I got to hang out with him. I did another one with him in Dubai too, if you guys didn't watch that one. Guys, when we see double bottoms, everyone and their mom gets taught, all right, boom, it makes a low, making double bottom and go. Like, obviously, sometimes I'll wait for a W or whatever, but if it's just a straight up double bottom like this, it's a level of liquidity I think a lot of people are trying to buy and put their stop losses under. So if it's against the place I want it to go in, I'll actually target areas like that. No Kizzy. Yo. Hey, thank you, bro. Yeah, the thing I wrote. Thank you, bro. I actually figured it out because on I watched a YouTube video to figure. I'm on live though. Everyone say what's up to Ollie Trades. Shorts, yeah. Yeah. I'm straight up like 1 minute. Oh yeah, you want to come on Zoom? Fuck yeah. All right. 1 second. Peace out. Bye. Guys, Mr. Ollie Trades wants to join us. That's cool. We haven't had a guest in a little bit. Make sure you guys like the fucking stream though. Y'all ain't liking the stream, then I don't fuck with you. No, I'm kidding. Let's send Ollie Trades a link. Hello. All right, guys, we're about to get the one and only. The one and only. Wow. Goes over here until he joins. Hello. Still thinking. You guys still see the screen fine? Is everything good? Everything still good with the stream? When you... I made $10 million today with 100K. What? Hey, Luke, my boy named there. Axolotl. Axolotl. What's that? Axolotl. What the f- The fuck? Chat, is this me? like what happened? First off, I don't even know. I don't know things that I can't even spell. Second off, looks like TOPSTEP. You got two of them? What? Yeah, look at chat. Come on. Damn. Teresa, I thought we were cool. No, I'm kidding. Nah, they're kind of cute. Not the best. I'm just playing the name after the Disney movie, Luca. Fire. Well, I know. I mean, obviously, no, they didn't do that, but still. That's me, chat? All right, guys, these shorts, though. Why isn't Ollie joining? Where's Top Songs? That's what I'm saying. I heard you say his name 3 times. He appears like the boogeyman. You look in the mirror, turn the lights off, say his name 3 times, he just appears. Slenderman. Spicy Slenderman. I said it once, no more. That's fucking funny. No. Here he comes. All right, guys, look at this. Look at that volume coming in. So these shorts were pretty good. I can't even lie, chat. Really like that. Talk about freedom. Talk about freedom. Come on. Come on, girl. Why you doing me? Are we shooting? No. Yeah, like I'm still looking for trade, guys. I didn't get into that one. I would have let you guys know, but these buys crazy. The reason I put up those shorts was to explain to you guys the concept behind it, behind like the accumulation. We got to break a structure, liquidation against the trend, and then you aim for the equal lows here. Whoa. 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 Whoa there. Whoa there. Where are you coming from? Earth to NASDAQ. Talk about freedom. Guys, make sure you guys like that freaking stream. We don't have enough likes. That's why the markets are doing this. It's your guys' fault. I'm totally kidding. Joking, don't cry. Baby, show me something. Why is Chris Brown stuck in my head right now? What the fuck? We lit. What's up, Knicks? Knicks in the building. Guys, how was Nick's behavior last night? We good? I gotta have a talk with them, or who was there? Bro, it's a great. Bro, I was about to say something, but I actually was nice today. I was about to be like, why am I saying Chris Breezy? I was like, oh, Nick showed up. It was, about the fruitcake coming. But guys, how was it? You in trouble or what? Nah, bro, socks and Crocs and bunk beds and whatnot. socks and Crocs and bunk beds and shit. At least he calls winning trades, At least he calls winning trades. Caught 2 wins with my socks and Crocs on. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Somewhere 30-minute off the rail types. What? Bro, what? Come on, girl. When did I see that come on? I don't even know. Yo! Can you hear me? Where'd he go? I saw Steph Curry join for a second. I don't know what happened. Luke, do you believe in aliens? Bro, we are aliens. Oh my god. Could be one last little like pump fake, maybe? Pump fake? Ollie be looking like a Persian Steph Curry. He's a goat. He's a goat. Oh my
Yo,
Yo,
it's good, bro.
what is good? Your camera went away. Oh, there we go. Chat. Wait, say something again?
Yo,
Yeah. They said we got the Persian Steph Curry in the building. What are you up to, bro?
chilling, bro. I was up trading till pretty much the stock exchange open, and then I fell asleep. So I'm just getting up now, starting my day.
Dope. You get a little workout
Yeah.
in. How was your workout with Steve?
Bro, it was fire. Bro, I didn't even feel it. And then yesterday I was shooting like basketball,
Yeah.
and like, I was just like, damn, this guy put me through the work.
Oh yeah. So no, I was happy to see you guys link. That show's lit.
Nah, yeah, it
Everyone,
was fire.
W's in the chat. Or come on. Throw some W's. 41s, 41s, 41s. How you been, bro? Chilling? Did you end up staying up to take any trades or was it just a wash
Yeah, no,
night?
I took one. I actually took a US 30 buy. And then yeah, that was my only trade yesterday.
Hell yeah. Fucking go. You're into shorts or like you're looking at potential shorts?
Yeah, yeah. I think we've swept so many buyers on the day that it's
Yeah.
it's like time.
Yeah, I like this nice little like shakeout right now.
Like I wouldn't be opposed to price continuing to buy, but I myself wouldn't hop in the buys. I'd just watch, most likely. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah, like you're only like
if it played out in that direction, that's just how it would go.
that makes sense. Makes sense. Um, Originally I was looking at this like I don't know. I've been just honestly like scalping.
Yeah.
I like this little move down, but then looks like this last little move should be trying to like just fake out some buyers in. Should be lower. Last little push up, but we shall
Yeah.
see.
How does
What do you say?
I'm gonna change my mic real quick. Is that better?
Yeah, it's still good. It sounded good when you first joined. Still
Yeah,
good.
that's good. Now I'm on the DJI mic.
Oh, dope. Um, I need to get like a new like mic. I mean, this one's not that bad, but
Oh, you gotta get the one I have now, the Shure SM7B.
yeah, this sure.
That one is so fire, bro.
Do you plug it into like an audio thing?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I just like have an Elgato Wave XLR, and
yeah.
I think
No,
US 30 is
I'll
about
get
to
that
set up
next.
next. Yeah,
Bro, I was gonna
I
hit you
think.
up. I might be coming out near you tomorrow.
Oh yeah, let me know.
Pick up that new car.
Ooh, okay. I know what it is or what?
No, they don't know.
You're gonna need to show me.
No, I know. I will. I'm gonna pull up in it.
I'll
You'll see
go
it.
with you, bro. I'll go with you
Yeah,
together,
yeah,
bro.
yeah. Come with me.
We'll add it to the vlog and
It
shit.
said it was near Downey.
No way.
Yeah, I was like, all right, what's the sign?
Well, like Anaheim?
The sign. Um, Yeah, I usually come on stream around this time, power hour, try to look for some little scalps
Yeah.
on NASDAQ and US 30. At first, like a while, it was really good. Like I feel like the last like I'm we're getting back to it. There was a period where it was fucking so slow for a little bit. But
I like how indecisive this hour is getting. I like how it couldn't strongly close above that wick on the, like if you look at the 1 hour on Dow Jones, I think it's gonna sell, bro.
yeah, oh yeah, just swept like those previous highs too.
And then it's like even respecting like today's high right now on a lower time frame, like it's
Yeah.
starting to trickle back down. So like even though it's still ranging, like it's consolidating downwards, which is like something I remember I read that in a book, The Art of Currency Trading, that one that like really
Yeah.
heavily changed things for me. It talked about like, okay, sometimes there's consolidation in the market, but it will still consolidate towards one side. And like you should be looking to play that.
Interesting. That's true. Well, it's
Wow.
like we're at like the highest point, so if it is gonna range, you technically are getting a a discounted
Yeah.
entry.
I think I might.
US
Think
30
I'm gonna take a
shorts.
hop in or what?
Yeah, dude, fuck. Come on, I haven't traded with Ollie trades in a while, bro. Mama ain't raised no bitch. There's no bitch. You guys know that when me and Ollie met for the first time, we took a trade together at dinner that night.
Yeah.
Probably knew we're like, oh shit, okay. It was like a test.
Yeah, I think we were like both in GU.
Motherfucker getting a short or what?
I'm waiting for. I want this minute 15 to spike up. I want to see how high it's gonna spike up, and then. Bro, the worst is like when you catch like when you're in shorts and your entry is the low, and like you
Yeah,
just
trust
crash.
me.
I'm like,
Trust me, me and chat
fuck,
now.
man.
like yeah, you'll short and you'd be like sniper buys, like
Yep, and then just fucking. I'm like, fuck, bro.
yeah, nah. I will look for it, but we can still respect this. We'll see.
See, yeah, like this is all I want to see. If this minute 15 candle will open up and respect this level, I think we'll be valid. Like,
Look for the flip.
because then most likely the minute 30 would close with that like bearish engulf after the doji.
Yeah, it's painting a picture. Come on, multiple time frame. Paint me a picture. Let me see. On US 30. Show me something.
You're on YouTube or what?
Yeah.
I'm gonna send out the link.
Oh yeah. We here, guys. Make sure you guys like the freaking stream. We're at 106 people. How many likes we got, chat? Can't even see TBH. But nah, bro. This morning was kind of boring for New York session. I got hit out break even twice, and then I like stopped trading, and then it like flew later on. I have took buys on both the positions too, and then bought like all morning. What are your thoughts on break even? Like, I don't think I've ever asked you that.
Oh, I think it's valid, bro. I think there's a certain point where like I've hit a couple break evens lately, and it's just like my mindset is like I want to go for more on this trade, but I also like know that if this reverses, like I will get smashed. There's always, bro, there's always a better entry. Like everybody always wants to, like everybody will end up hitting stop loss because they don't want to break even, thinking that they have the best entry. And then most of the times they'll hit stop loss and a better entry would have occurred, or they'll go in deep drawdown and there was a better entry that whole time that they just missed out on.
That's true. I always say like I would rather people out there like close out what your stop loss is and look for a new entry than keep holding like and holding and holding. Think it's gonna like because new entries do present itself. You just gotta watch.
I mean, bro, like every massive brokerage owner talks about the two things that lead to blown accounts are lack of discipline, or it's lack of risk management and over trading, right? So like, and I know everybody when they hear that they're like, oh, that's me.
Yeah.
You know, it's not that they can't trade; it's just like they can't choose when to trade.
Yeah.
People don't even understand, bro. It's like it's the same thing as when you play soccer. Like, bro, are you gonna shoot every single time you get the ball at the halfway line, or are you gonna shoot when you're in front of goal with a good look? Like, same thing with basketball. Are you gonna shoot
Yeah.
contested shots or open threes or layups? You
That's
know what
so
I mean?
true.
Like, people gotta know what their range is, what they're doing, and how to monitor everything, and then play to their strengths.
That's so true. That's a good analogy, chat. You guys out on the fucking, you guys just lefty sky hooking from half court, or are you guys waiting for an open three? Come on now. Well, a lot of you guys are freaking eyes closed behind the back in it from full court.
Now, if you
Hoping to hit a
like
buzzer
me,
beater.
now, if you're a shooter like me,
Nah. That's one thing, sir. I'll give you your flowers for everything. Maybe not shooting.
hey,
I'm
bro,
kidding. Nasty defense though.
I'm an all-star defender, bro.
When
And
I played
take
with
that
him, I
role
only
with
left
pride.
with like 4 bruises, 3, bleeding.
I'll be the first player in the NBA to reach 8 fouls in a game somehow. Just won't leave.
He gets ejected and punches the ref on the way out.
Dude, I remember one time I had a dream that I got a. Ooh, look at this.
I know, we're coming down fast.
I like this. Come on, baby. It's just like the only thing I'm worried about is I think the cells might be very short-lived just because of the time of day.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's us. We're here. We're scalpers. We're here. Shooting from the bed.
I think if we break like that little low, the one essentially like the retest the trend line right there on US 30, I think we'll be game.
Hell yeah.
We have like literally the same thing up right now.
Nah. Let's get it. I'm with the shits. I'm with the shits. I'm with the shits.
What the hell?
For real though. What the hell,
Bro, I
Leonte?
can't believe Halliburton freaking tore his Achilles, bro.
I know. What the Halliburton?
Bro, I miss trading on live like this, bro. This actually makes this shit fun.
I know. So we do it every day. Every day, same chat. Pip a dip in the chat. Pip a dip in the chat room. Fire emoji. Fire emoji. Go crazy.
Pip a dip in the chat.
All right, chat. We're putting the whole account on it. No, I'm kidding. Totally joking, guys.
Come on, I just want to see a candle close under.
You waiting for the hourly or?
Nah, I think I'd hop in before that. What about you?
I mean, I'm down. It's just that, like, more often than not, the hourly will make a top wick, but I'm with the shits. Ride together,
Should I
die
put in
together,
like
bad boys for life.
should I put in like 1,000,000 contracts right now?
Yeah, 20
Just
cons.
fucking
We in. Nah. I'm gonna get in on my live account. Fuck it.
I'm waiting on this hoe, bro. Dirty cash, I want it. Money talks. Money talks.
Money talks, bullshit watts. Are you going to buy or sell? We are looking at sells. We are looking at potential sells. I like that we just swept this low, so if we get some sort of candle closure and like re-break it, I mean, I'm on the M1, bro. I'm fucking cracked out. What up, Rebel? Rebel in the chat. Good. Hallelujah. Guys, me and Ali, Ali, they all know, but I know we keep talking about it, but everyone in the chat like is down to pull it for the meet and greet in Cali, LA.
Yeah, we gotta do that. We gotta make that happen.
A lot of people chat. I asked you guys yesterday. A lot of people said that they're down, bro.
You got a pump fake in chat, or you got people who are down those?
Hey, come on. Who's pump faking? Who's pump faking? Who's actually gonna come? It's loading for waterfall. Exactly. Give us it. Loading. Prepare for liftoff.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
I need this hoe to drop. I need that hoe to drop.
Jack. Damn. What the?
Bro, my home Wi-Fi has been so bad.
Really?
Yes, bro. The Wi-Fi I had in Miami was perfect. Like I'd get a gigabyte, like
Yeah.
I could upload things like, my camera footage is very heavy. Bro, here I'm getting 8 megabytes per second upload. I literally just ordered a separate router just for this room.
Yeah. You
It's
have
supposed
to.
to come in tomorrow, bro.
8 is crazy. That has to be
It's supposed
something
to be,
wrong with like
this router is
Wi-Fi.
supposed to be 5 gigs upload download. I was like, 5 gigs? What the hell?
Yeah, like the one here, I'm pretty sure is like 400 or something.
Yeah, bro, like that's what it should be. That's what mine should. Bro, I'm getting 600 download, 8 megabytes upload. I was like, how? How is this even
Oh,
possible?
okay, yeah, bro. That happened to me. At one of my old spots. It was I don't know what had to
Bro,
happen.
and I'm talking like I'm plugging Ethernet, like straight to the modem, bro. Like,
Yeah, that's ass. I know what the heliante. Mansion problems. Ollie's house is nice, guys. I love it. I love going to visit you.
yeah, bro,
My
you gotta
God.
slide. Been locked in, broski.
Yes, sir. AOL disk speeds. AOL disk speeds. I don't know how to help you, but I'm guessing. Trust my boy Rudy. I'm guessing that might help.
Bet.
AOL disk speeds. Can I get a? No, what the hell, y'all? Guys,
What
give
the
us
heck
some
is
cool
that?
content ideas you guys want to see potentially. You know, we got Ollie back in Cali. You know, we around. I'm only like 2 hours away.
Every time one of us hits stop loss on the simulator, it's a free punch to the stomach. So that'll be fun, dude. Just put the gloves on,
Gloves on. Fuck it. We deserve.
and it
Actually, that's a good
has to be like a
thing.
minimum 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio trade that you win. Like,
No, I mean I kind of like it because then I'm probably not going to get into bad trades. That's what you guys should do. Have your mentor just punch you every time.
facts.
Every time
And
you
then you pay
lose.
him to
So
do it.
I'm
Oh
kidding.
man, that would be amazing.
Tradeaholic, chill.
And then one of my students is actually I'm on stream. I can't say this.
Peace out, Teresa. Yeah, man. That's actually hilarious. All right, NASDAQ shorting. That's good. Fuckers. 41,
I mean,
41, 41.
shit, God, that's Mr. Tumaza. And the economy that cause of wash Tumaza. Every other thing is
You
a
been
wash.
using your pool as much? Or I mean, I guess it's just getting summer, so.
I'm gonna go jacuzzi tonight. Probably gonna pick up some meat from the meat market. I got soccer tonight, so probably go play and go
Yo,
jacuzzi after.
bro's going to the meat market chat. No, I'm kidding. You been hooping though, or what?
I've been playing a lot of soccer.
Oh
I'm down to
yeah, I
hoop
saw that
always though.
video. The video of you balling out. That shit was lit.
Yeah, today I'm gonna film the whole thing, bro.
Sheesh.
And my boy from out of town is here.
Um, your boy from out of town.
Yeah, my boy Mason. So he's supposed to come play.
Someone said where you play at. I don't know if you. I don't know if you want to drop the low like that, but if you want to, DM him for it. Actually, just do that.
What
Yeah,
happened?
him. Someone in the chat asked where you be playing at.
US 5 Soccer Center. Pull up. Who need that? Stream sniping.
Stream snipe. Oh yeah, you should fucking stream the whole thing. I'd watch that shit.
That'll be hilarious. Then I have like 3 viewers.
You
Like,
never
what the
know.
fuck? I'll just put like a chart on the side.
Depends how crazy you be going.
I'll put like my P&L right next to it, bro. So like,
Chat, who here is in Florida? Who here is going to that Orlando event tomorrow? I was honestly was maybe gonna go, but I'm getting that new car in literally the same day. I was like, pick one. I'll have to pop back out there for another time. Any of you guys going to that? I'm curious. Well, let's get a general sense of where everyone in the chat's from. Let's do like maybe like a poll. Start a poll. I'm gonna say rep yo hood. If Yo, hood. I want to see how many of you guys are in California. We'll
Bro, like I'm
say
trying to upload my vlog stuff from yesterday. It says 43 hours remaining.
actually, there's too many I can fucking put. What should I put? Oh, actually, we'll just do. East Coast. All right, chat. Sorry, I had to give California their own because I just want to see who's here in California. Or if you guys are by California and you guys would come to an event in Cali, still put California. Like if you're close enough and you'd like pull up or some shit. US 30 sweeping right at the hourly open. NASDAQ still, guys, we have not gotten a break. Yeah, no love for the South. No, just wait. Oh shit, my bad. Damn,
No
no.
trade.
Demos, what's good, G?
US 30, bro. Holy shit.
I know. Well, the hourly
Thank
open.
God I didn't hop in.
Yeah. Hourly's open, no bottom wick. NAS, guys, if you guys want to get into a breakout trade, you can get into these, buys above on NAS. It hasn't gone yet, like US 30. If I were to have gotten in, it would have been on like some sort of sweep to the downside, but I was trying to short from here. So, might just let it participate without me. Not going to FOMO in. No Midwest. I know. I guess I just did.
Yeah, that was a strong close on the hour for Dow Jones. I didn't expect that. Especially after how the
30% of the chat's in Cali.
Really?
That's pretty dope.
That is dope.
What 3 stacks say? The South got something to say. Tell them. The South got something to say. All right, chat. So we're long. So one thing is this, guys, is that when I see big moves above like this, I think that FOMO traders are getting in, right? Like, yes, we're in a bullish market. We've been going up, but we haven't really pulled back into discount or anything that's made me want to continue. Whereas, like, that's why you see us like technically, if we were to try to get in shorts, whatever, we're getting at like, a discounted price. Whereas, like, when I'm getting in this high on a pair that's already so bullish, I just feel like I've already missed on it, and I feel like I'm just like FOMOing into it. No Midwest. No, I'm sorry. South, Midwest. Just like if you're like more on the west, if you're like west, south, southwest, then you're on the west side. If you're like southeast, then you're on the east coast. US 30 coming back a little bit more back into the range. See here. I would just open. OKC champs.
I look at DXY, bro. It's so low, but it is in a little demand zone.
Sheesh. He's going. Damn. Now starting to go 2 chat. Let me know. Any of you guys in? Any of you guys execute? What's up? Sell NASDAQ 22218. 222. Oh, you just sold at the tops here? Wow. That's savage. Entry. Ollie, how old were you when you first looked at a chart?
17.
17.
Yeah. 17 buckaroonies.
Damn, it's kind of gangster. Oh, the sell's coming back in. Like a US 30 was good.
Just don't want to rush it, bro.
What's the name of the pairs on Hanko trade because I couldn't find US 100 or Dow Jones? Do you know what they're called?
It should be DJ.
Yeah, Dow Jones.
One sec.
Oh, Demo said US Tech.
US Tech. No, it's D30, NAS USD, U30. Yeah, it's U30. That's where most people get confused because it's not US 30.
U30.
And then it's NAS USD.
Come back into the range. Guess we'll see if we come back in. See, chat, that's what I was saying is all the FOMO people may be getting in on US 30 and stuff where it may just be that final liquidation. Come back into the range. Sheesh. Nas going through now. Peace out, Nas. And I'm free. Crazy.
Damn, bro, the bond market is fucking tanked.
Really.
Yeah. I mean, if we can hold here.
Yeah, I don't know, Caesar. I was kind of explaining a little bit ago that, like, overall we've been super bullish. If you go over to like US 30 and you look left on the hourly, we're looking at how we had these highs previously right here. If you guys can see that we had kind of wicked above previously, and then this previous candle, at the time wasn't really even like bullish. It was down in here. So we're looking for a potential closure that it could fall after taking liquidity, but now we've gotten a final push above where the reason I don't want to buy is I feel like it's kind of FOMO buying, right? It's like buying at the highest point possible. All we've done is channel from all the way down and, freaking way down here, and then trying to get the very, very, very top. So I was looking for a potential reversal or something, I don't really want to just FOMO into the buys. Just waiting to see if it'll present itself. Present something.
Come on. Come on, dirty 30. I want to take a fucking aggro sell just right now, bro. So
I
stupid.
know, just
Let's try to
fuck it.
fucking snipe the top, but I know it's stupid if I take it.
I mean, think of the whole concept behind risk to reward. Is the reward there?
No,
Kind of is there, right?
If we break under this little trend line I have, it's like 43, 110. Probably get in.
You guys can see, guys, short-lived buys. Sells coming in. What time is this? 12. We wait for the 15-minute closure, but this is looking pretty good. Even get like a slight retracement or something here. We end. No. I'll let you guys know. I want to wait for like a slight retracement, maybe, or maybe like a 15-minute closure. But if the 15-minute can close like this, and then have a top wick break lows, I'll give it a shot. Like we said, guys, the whole concept when you hear risk to reward, it's how much you willing to risk and what will your reward be. That's why when we talk about one-to-ones and stuff, it's not as great because you're like, I'm risking X to make the same amount. Whereas like if your risk is 1 to make 4 or 5, that's kind of worth your risk because you could take 3, 4 of those and still make up with one of those, rewards. So it depends on your system, but like this.
I'm like about to get in.
Let's go. I love it.
Just need it to drop a little more and then I'd hop in.
Come on, Chad. You fuck around, you find out. Get it.
I'm staying patient, bro.
Oh, we tapped the discount for me. I got you just tapping the discount on that little retracement too, which I was kind of looking for.
Come on, baby. Come on.
I might give it a shot, bro.
I'm waiting on this close. I need to close under that wick. Like if that next one closes under that bullish candle,
Mm-hmm.
I'll
Give it a shot.
yeah.
Don't want just a wick, you want a closure.
Yeah. I like closes under wicks.
Mm-hmm.
Like it signifies strength.
Yeah.
So
What signifies? Actually, I can't say that on the stream.
God damn it. Come on. Yeah, see now it's like pulling back.
Closure. Give us a closure. Closure. Baby, come back. 15-minute about to open 2, guys. Kind of lining it up with what I like to look for. I would want it to close bearish though. You entered sells on that. That's nice.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Sheesh. Okay, good patience. Good patience.
I just want to see a ripper down right now. Come on, give it to me.
Yo.
I wish that you could like adjust the exposure on this.
A little too light.
Yeah.
25-second shot. We're starting to get a rejection. Like I said, I do want it to close bearish and then break bearish lows on US 30 for sure. We're like right there at that point. We might just create a doji. Let's check out the 15 on NAS. Sheesh. We tapped right off discount for me. 15 minutes not looking the best though. Are you in? No, I'll let you guys know. Of course, we've been waiting here patiently. Taking guys for a dog walk through this whole trade. NASDAQ is trend lined up like Picasso. You like NASDAQ at all or just US 30?
Take a look at Nas. Nas looks like it's breaking low nice right now.
Do you go to the 1 minute?
Yeah. Here to scalp.
Huh?
I said I'm here to scalp.
Let's go. Yo, chat. We got a fucking shooter on our hands. We had Dylan Brooks pull up. I'm not Dylan Brooks, fucking
Whoa.
no, fuck. What was I thinking? He looked like Phoenix Sun. Oh, Devin Booker.
Devin Booker, that's funny.
We got Devin Booker pulled up. Dylan Brooks. Motherfucker talking shit.
Devin Brooks, can't believe this.
Talking damn. Magnum. I'm a Millie rocking. FedEx boxes. Open under shit is jaw dropping. Really shocking. Just another late night with my. I wish we still had Brooks. Really? Really? Nas looking good. Me like. We don't like US 30. Sheesh. The fuck? Patience paid off here, exactly. And it will even more because you'll see we're going to catch a trade and still get a fucking banger. Starting to go, bro. Ali.
Oh yeah. I was a little zoned out.
And patience pays again.
Every single time, bro. Patience always pays, bro.
Cause I let out how it don't even make no sense. Bring the focus up to the game we up. Rejecting again. What y'all think, chat? What y'all think in the chat?
Bro, this thing is annoying as fuck.
Indecisive. Oh my god. Ripper.
Yeah.
Let's go. Could be retesting here on NASDAQ, guys.
Yeah, I was gonna say Nas.
NASDAQ looks like it could potentially be retesting. Luke, you trade in the 718 or getting a grocery getter? Getting a grocery getter, getting a bigger car. It's super cool having like a 2-door, but it's not that practical, especially when people come to town and stuff. I literally have friends coming to town this weekend, and I was gonna rent a bigger car for us all to use because obviously we all can't fit in a 2-door Porsche. And instead, I was like, you know what? Let's just fucking buy a bigger car. There is one car that I've wanted to fucking always have. Not a Maybach like fucking Ollie's, but it's sick. Yeah. Okay, I'm back in it. I'm Maybach back in it. Come on now. So I say to Ollie every time I see him, I say, "What's happening, twin? I'm Maybach back in it." Get a Lambo limo, motherfucker. What? You buy a limo? Did I say limo? Nah. No, it's just a bigger car. Nah, it's cool, guys. It's custom too. Like I custom made it. Oh. Oh. Patience. Guys, should we let Ollie in on the little 1250 secret or what? Should we just keep that for us? Oh wait, here, Ollie, I'll send it to you. I got Ollie doesn't even know, guys. Ain't no
Yeah, I didn't even
secrets.
know it.
Brother, every day at 350. Just know that we're here making money.
Right.
No, I'm just kidding. 1250. So like every day, like I forget what they call it, like 1250 macros or whatever the fuck it's called, but there's always like
Yeah.
a volume increase. All right, guys, I'm about to show Ollie. We'll get Ollie's IRL reaction to the car. Sheesh. This shit's gangster.
Bro, look at Nas. Nas about to tempt me, bro.
Mmm.
Loki want to
We're
get in
breaking
Nas.
50. Yeah, we just broke previous 15-minute lows. Finally, that's what I was looking for on US 30 that I didn't do. Now that we have, we could look for a slight retracement. I like waiting for like a slight retracement after those little things. I feel like, all right, that's the confirmation. If it can retrace and reconfirm, it's just like boom. And Amandum say I'm lit. Let me know if you get into Nas.
Yeah, I'm just waiting on it. Most likely gonna hop in though.
Oh, yeah. NQ fallen, yeah. waiting on it. I was getting these pictures for Ollie because I actually didn't even have the picture saved from when they sent it to me.
You said you got it custom?
Yeah, look at this shit. Ready? All right, I'm increasing your thing. This is me Ollie's IRL reaction. All right, check your phone.
Text or Telegram?
Text.
Oh, just came in. 8 photos.
But
That's fire.
wait till you see the inside.
The inside is lit. That's lit, bro.
Isn't that sick?
That shit is fire.
Yeah, I can't wait.
So I got the 4Gs?
Yeah, it got like the bigger wheel, like the big ass wheels on it and everything. She lifted and everything.
That's so fire, bro.
Inside's all custom. It's crazy.
Nah, the interior is lit, bro.
Sheesh, chat.
That's fire.
Thank you, bro. Yeah, well, you'll see it IRL tomorrow probably.
I'm with it.
I said, what's happening, twin? I'm Maybach backing in.
Oh, I want to hop in.
On NASDAQ.
Yeah.
I'm with you. I told you, bro.
You think it's ready though?
I like to see a slight retracement, you know, in case it's just a break and retest. But if we can like go like this and show that we do
Mama
not
ain't
want to
raise no bitch. I'm in.
All right, Mama ain't raise no bitch. Chat, you heard him. All right, guys. NQ shorts with the one and only. Stops below the highs, or what do you do?
Yeah, I'm going above the highs, like that minute 30. If it flips above that, bro, I'm fucked, you know? Like,
Yeah. I said, what's happening, twin?
like right above 225 just for spread. Damn.
Gotta be a track hawk? Nah.
Let's see.
I push to stop. Damn. US 30s being like, what? What time was this? I can't wait for you guys to see it. Fuck.
Come on, Naz. Don't do me like this.
Come on.
US 30's pushing so hard, bro. Up. Man, these fucking Naz cells. I'm in these Naz cells. Oi!
Oi, 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 oi. If we get a rejection and it continues lower, I'm in. And the man dumb said, I'm lit. 1230 chat. 1250 candles giving us those cells.
See how it goes. See how it goes.
4-hour resistance on NAS too. Yes, sir. No, guys, we can see the shorts from here. I'm waiting just because of like,
Come on, baby.
you know, kind of like a break or retest in the ear, but slight little, you know, left shoulder, head, create a little right shoulder, break. I mean, wait. Push. Just stop. What's your favorite part about your car?
Fuck, bro, just
The luxury.
yeah. Like the ambient lighting on it is so stupid. The interior is stupid, bro. Like so fucking crazy.
The ambiance inside the EQS, like your last one was fire though. Like it's just that much
Yeah.
different.
Yeah, bro. I want to add stars to this one, but the thing is like, cause the roof
Jeez.
or like the what is it? The upholstery is like not the upholstery. What is it? The inside roof.
Yeah,
Anyways,
you're right.
it's leather. So like in order for me to put stars in that, they have to replace it and put like Alcantara leather and it's like aftermarket at that point. And I was like, nah, I'm not really rocking with that.
I feel that.
Plus the lighting in there is like it's so fly, you don't need it.
So fly.
All right, here we
So
go. Push me back into
high.
profit, baby. Push me into profit.
Got me lifting. Moonroof headliner.
The headliner, yep.
What do you consider stupid exactly? Did you take this trade? I'm about to once you break these lows. Basically where his entry is, I'm gonna get like the same entry. Look about to get it. Nah. Nah. Because you guys will see. I got a plan. I have a plan. It's all in order. You know, you can't jump the steps. It's all in order. One to the other. Gotta have a plan, like a trading plan, you know? Gotta have a car plan. Nah, I had a good month last month. I had a pretty good month last month. I had withdrawn some profits because I had switched to a bigger account. Or not a bigger account, a different type of account. When Gates came out with the 1-to-1000 leverage or whatever. So yeah, no, it was a good month. And I was like, you know what? Should I rent a car for the weekend or should I just buy one and get a bigger car?
It's far.
You actually like Ollie?
Bro, it's far.
Oh, W approval. Is there any type of fundamentals for your short or anything?
Honestly,
You're
I
looking
mean,
at?
I think the DXY is like in a relative demand zone. I like how it's like kind of respecting this and pushing up. And then if you look at the yield, like the bond market, and the thing is, I want bonds to pick up, like in order for me to like feel like I'm fully confluenced on this, and they're still relatively low. So we'll see. We'll see. I feel hungry, bro. Damn. Let me see if this fucker Ryan's still in Tulum, bro.
How long has he been there?
Yeah, he's still there. It's been there like a week, maybe.
Super chill, bro. I'd be down to go to Mexico with you guys.
Yeah, we'll be lit.
All right, guys, I might be jumping in here. Let's see. If US 30 can reject right there, I might be short in here.
Yep. It's at my entry right now.
Higher than the ceiling, I know me. Oh my god.
What?
US 30. Just mooning.
Yeah, US 30 is, bro. It's crazy. So late in the game, bro. When do you see this 1250 candle magic, Luca?
Yeah, I know. Hey, I'll tell her to talk nice, but yeah. Get ready for it. I'm still rejecting. Alright guys, 5-minute open. Give this bitch a shot. As soon as we come and break like these lows right here, guys. I guess we're not breaking them. Let's run it. Ride together, die together, bad boys for life. I jumped in with Ollie, guys.
Let's go.
Mom ain't raised no bitch.
Vamos, equipo.
But you know, my sells could trigger the buys. You don't know. You know how people say they move the market? I move the market opposite.
Opposite. It's like that guy Kramer.
Someone said we'll be a Diddy drop candle.
Yeah, that's what we need. That's what I need.
Oh my god. On air. $250 better be goated again. I know. Gotta talk to us nice. Feeling so lifted, sugar, how you get. Trade of the day.
I'm in profit.
Sneaky profits. I'm closing and going to McDonald's. Need lunch.
I'm up. Well, now I'm down $3.
Let's go. I'm down. Oh no, I'm profit. Now drawdown. Profit. There we go, chat. US 30 is gonna Diddy drop at 1250. Just watch.
I'm ready. I'm so ready for Diddy.
What the fuck?
I'm ready.
Chat.
I'm ready for whatever he comes with right now.
Chat, what you gotta think about
Comes
that?
on. Well, what TP are you looking at?
Right now, I usually just put out a 1-to-1 because after a 1-to-1, I put stops to break even.
Wait, why are we different? Why is mine a... Oh, I'm going a little lower than you. That's why, okay. It's just we're on different, like you're on Black Bull, I'm on FXCM, so I was like, why
Ah! Bro, we gotta be in sync. Like in sync.
Gotta work out, bro.
Don't want to Diddy with the diddler. I know. You like using the DJI more?
Yeah. All my other stuff is outside. Set that up. Like,
Yeah. Rebel says at least the Diddy drop comes with lube.
no little budget. Oh, full force.
No. Just got the baby oil.
No baby oil here.
Don't say it. Where the fuck top songs at? Forever young. I wanna be. Is it today Tuesday? So. Good night, guys. Good night, Xander. What's up, bro? We'll be back in profit chat. Let's go. The Diddy drop. We have some racks, guys. Let's fucking go. Feeling good.
Feeling great.
Ollie said if we hit TP, he'll recite one of Diddy's whole songs. So sing it. No dance.
Oh, we don't even need a TP, huh?
Bro.
You know, 1 to 0.25.
A 1 to 0.25. Make sure if you guys have not yet gone and left a comment on new video, guys. New pod on Wednesday coming out with the one and only Jade Cup. Jade Cup's cool as fuck too. Good interview. It was during his big run that led him to becoming the #1 paid out person ever. He's like the video exactly. Like the video, guys. That'll make Nas drop. He's guys sing about the Benjamins exactly. All right, Ollie, you asked for the 1250 Diddy candle. Here we go. 2 minutes. Yeah. You don't shoot, you can't score. Guys sing all about the Benjamins. That's a fire movie. Who's seen that movie with Ice Cube? Do you really want to live forever? I know. We'll see, bro. Sometimes it plays around, sometimes she's on our side. That's all I gotta say. I mean, I don't want to say that, but 350 Jewish fake out, I know. I'm saying it's faking out the sell, it's faking out the buys, it's gonna sell for us in 10 seconds. It's gonna like fake up a little bit and then dump.
One candle and just hit my ticket profit. So that's the hype.
No. Some days it actually is big as fuck like that.
Like a CPI candle, like boom.
Oh, there, boom, look at it.
Off the face of the earth.
Alright, well, we didn't gap. We kind of gapped up. You see that shit?
You can see that shit. Damn.
Come on, Chad, tell him about the what he know about that 1250 candle.
Damn, okay. What's she doing right now?
Yeah, I know, bro. Tickle it a little bit. See. Back in the profit. Come on now. You said it. Come on now. US 30s was nice. The US 30s 1250 candle. That shit was nice. Did he drop that? What the heliante?
Diddy really is with us right now, huh?
Oh my god. Look at US 30 though. That's usually what it looks like. Yeah. Bro, you can just come every day at 1250.
I love coming.
Okay. Alright, chat. That was it for today. See you on the next See you on the next stream.
What's the latest for the trade?
Bro, I usually want to like close by this because the market will tend to close or whatever, but sometimes I'll hold and it'll just gap me into profit. Usually if I'm only holding like partials. Want this drop though.
I don't want that. What the hell?
What the hell? What the fucky? Pull up Maybach trucky? Come on. Back in profit, chat. I want to break previous lows. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'll probably just go stops to break even to the hourly, and if it, I don't know.
I like how it's moving right now, bro. I mean, I just don't think like we're gonna hold
Yeah. In 8 minutes. You just want to call your friend and see if he'll drop it? No, right when I said that, like what happened? Look at US 30 though, chat. That was that 1250 drop. Won't push that button. I might just get a BE. Oh, hold it past that number. Rice Ninja, chill, bro. If we were in, don't disrespect her like that. Come on now. Don't do my girl dirty. Back in profit. Go, 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 go. Ass, I know. This ass. Oh, whoa. What happens when you talk shit to it? Damn, US 30 did what we wanted. Bro. Ollie, look at US 30. Come on. I might go break even now. After re-breaking those lows. I don't want to get hit out and have to hold over that thing. I'm not that confident. Alright, chat, you guys can see my screen right here. I'm barely up anything. If it hits my break even, I'm out on the day. No, I'm done. You guys can see stats BE. We melt, we melt. See what we did this hourly.
Melt. I already know, like, if you hold through the session gap, bro, Trump's gonna say some shit.
Right.
Shit. Fucking.
Break even chat. You guys can see it hit me. I'm a lame.
Guess how much volume it fucked, bro. Yeah, bro, US 30.
Where can I profit too? But they have a Fogo to chow right here.
Oh, yeah? I've been craving it, bro.
Who's still in it? No, I put my stops to break. I got hit out break even. Can't even lie. Can't even lie. Oh my god. Diddler. Come on, baby. All I gotta say is that there are some people in the chat calling fucking buys all day. It's about a rally, all this type of shit. Look at US 30. Ollie called that shit. Ollie called that drop. Oh, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. On the stream with the goat today. Come on, chat. How you like them apples? Come on. Come on, chat. W Diddy, he's my mentor. No. Put some W's in the chat. Spam W's for Ollie Trades. Spam it for the video. Spam it for Ollie Trades video. Spam W's, W's, W's. Come on. More W's. Come on. That ain't enough. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Got the goat on with us today. Let's go. Dubs in the chat. How you like them apples? Come on, NASDAQ. What happened to the buys? What happened? What happened to rally? W's up 15K. Let's go. Up 15K. What?
But moving well. Moving well.
He told me. Hilarious. Big dubs though. Big dubs though. Guys, if you guys made profits today, make sure to go spam it in the Discords. Post on Instagram. Tag me and Ollie. If you don't follow Ollie Trades, go follow Ollie Trades. He's like the white LeBron James. No, I'm kidding. But I'm out of here, Ali. Love you, brother.
Yeah, broski.
Appreciate you coming through, calling a banger. You the man, guys. W Pip and Dip in the chat on here. Appreciate you coming through, spitting the value. Hey, if you ain't tuned into Pip and Dip, you lost. Come on now. Appreciate it, bro.
Rate currently up.
Let's see. The US 30's drop was nasty.
Oh, you know,
Is it low profits? Come on now, stack it up. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Well, W, chat. We back tomorrow. Love y'all. Peace out,
Yeah,
gang.
bro. Take care.
Peace out.
Later.
Gang. Thank everyone. Go spam Ollie. Thank him for coming through. Appreciate you, broski.